Welcome sa Genknown tutorial. Ang sasagutan natin ngayon ay ang time rates ng Differential Calculus by Feliciano and Uy. We have exercise 3.7 number 1. The radius of the right circular cone is increasing at the rate of 6 cm per second, while its altitude is decreasing at 3 cm per second. Find the rate of change of its volume when its radius is 8 cm and its altitude is 20 cm. So sa problem, meron tayong apat na given. We have the radius of a cone, we have 8 and 20 cm ang ating height. So meron din tayong rate of change ng ating radius, which is equal to 6 cm per second, and rate of change ng ating height or the altitude is decreasing by 3 cm per second. Decreasing, ibig sabihin negative ang value. So sa problem na ito, dv/dt ang hanap. At pwede natin gamitin ang volume. Ibig sabihin, volume ang gagamitin. So, gagamit tayo ng volume na ating cone. We have pi third r squared h. Dito sa ating volume, meron tayong dalawang component or dalawang variable. We have the r squared, dr and h. At pwede natin i-derive. We have v prime or dv/dt. dv/dt is equal to pi third. Set aside lang natin or ilabas lang. At we have the derivative of u dv plus vd yung gagamitin. We have 2r dr dt times h plus the derivative of h is equal to dh dt multiplied by dr squared. Since meron tayong value ng h or the radius is equal to 8 and the altitude or the height is equal to 20. So meron tayong dv dt is equal to pi third 2 multiplied by dr which 8 times dh dt is equal to dr dt is equal to 6 times h 20 plus dh dt is negative 3 times dr squared is 64. So calculate, we have 2 times 8 times 6 times 20 minus 3 times 64 over by 3. We have dv dt is equal to 576 pi cm cube per second. Kung ito ay nakatulong sa inyo, huwag niyong kakalimutang mag-like, share, and subscribe at pindutin niyo na rin ang notification bell para kayo ma-notify sa ating bagong video tutorial.